good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Dog, man. Hey, bro, before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that sub button and that like button right now, man. Make sure y'all join the family because I ain't gonna lie, we're about to be doing like a part. I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be like a 5-part series, y'all. As y'all can see, we got a whole bunch of parts, bro. We got a diffuser, we got a front splitter, we got the SRT grill, we got a whole bunch of stuff we gonna be putting on the car, bro, and we gonna break it up to like 4 or 5 parts, bro. So make sure y'all subscribe so y'all don't miss any other updates on the new whip. I'm about to go to my boy Kid. He about to help me put on all this shit on the new whip. So hey, let's head out. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all. How the fuck that's gonna fit in my car, bro? I don't know. I think this one could fit. I don't know how this one gonna fit. We gonna try to figure it out though. So we about to put the diffuser in here, bro. Okay, that fit. Oh shit. All right, so we got the diffuser in there. We got the rear diffuser. All right, so we got the rear diffuser. Now we're about to put the, I don't know how this gonna fit, man. Dang. Hey, don't judge how dirty my car is, bro. It ain't even that dirty. It's no food or nothing. It's just drink. But we got everything inside, bro. We got everything inside. So now we about to head out, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm excited, bro. The front splitter is gonna make the car look crazy. Oh shoot, I forgot the badges. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got some badges I'm gonna put on the side of the car and the front of the car, bro. So what y'all think I'm gonna put there? All right, yo. So now we finna head to my boy Kid. And we finna go crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie. We got a big project. This is about to be a big project, bro. We got like 5-6 parts to put on the car, bro. All right, y'all, man. We at the shop right now, man. My boy Kid shop, man. Make sure y'all go follow him on IG. I'm gonna put his IG somewhere on the screen, man. Make sure y'all go follow him on IG. If you're in St. Louis, you need wraps, you know what I'm saying? Dent removes, paint, anything like that, bro. Make sure y'all check my boy Kid out, man. But y'all see, we got a Super B in here. And then we got that a little Scat Super B. Second gen, and then we got the goddamn, you know what I'm saying, the demon right here, you feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, I didn't make a video, but we got the 5 spokes, y'all. Y'all already know them bitches hard. All right, y'all, we finally figured it out, man. These aren't supposed to come out. These ones on the front, we have to take these 8 out. Take the 8 in the front out, and then there's 4 on each side. I don't know if y'all can see these, but it's 1, 2, 3. It should be a 4th one somewhere. I can't see right now though. You take all them ones off and then you able to pull the bumper off, bro. All right, y'all, change of plans. We finna put this diffuser on first, bro. I forgot to tell y'all what happened to the diffuser. Somebody ran into me and chipped my shit off, bro. As y'all can see right here, this shit is damaged like a motherfucker, so we finna put the new one on, man.
It's not bad, bro. It's fine.
Man, that shit is terrible, man.
Just go get the glue.
What the fuck glue gonna do to this? This shit gone.
Watch.
That's crazy as fuck. But I ain't gonna lie, a Volkswagen Golf hit me in the back.
What?
From the back. Pause. He paid for the new one though, man. So we finna replace this real quick and then we gonna get back to the grill. This engine cover, gotta go. That shit was starting to look ugly to me, I can't lie. You spinning that bitch?
Walking to work, Joe.
Come on, hey, come on. You know what the growl is.
Spin that bitch. Fuck no. That shit is crazy. Niggas out here sliding a work truck. That is sick.
Gotta take a bumper off. Yeah, I'll show the tutorial in a minute.
Yo, shit ashy, boy. Golly, spinning the motherfucker.
He's on spin.
God damn. No, look, chat. My shit fucked up. No, my shit worse than yours. I was like, God damn.
That's the mechanic.
Ooh.
Wait, I'm not a mechanic. I do body work.
If you need your oil changed, come to this nigga.
You see, I got all types. I see, I do
a whole bunch of shit. Right, you said you only
got a rap going on.
Man, whole bunch of shit going on, bro. Don't listen to that nigga. That nigga do body work, man. He lied to y'all. Paint, body work, raps.
I did paint your hood. Huh? I did paint your hood.
Yeah, right, that's what I'm saying. That's crazy. Oh God. Did paint the hood, y'all. No kissing. There we go. Boy, that scared the fuck out of me, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Also, y'all, we do got some side lights, man. No more of these oranges, bro. We got some white ones. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna install those while we put the grill and the splitter on, bro. Huh?
Once to the front?
Mm-hmm. Front and back, yeah. Wait, we gotta take the back off too? Damn. All right, y'all. We just got the bumper off finally, man.
2 days later.
2 days. Oh God, I'm definitely finna add a mean to that hoe. God. Shit, we finna swap the grill, and then shit, we gonna put the splitter on as well, bro. But that's gonna be in the part 2 of the video, man. So make sure y'all subscribe And hey, y'all know these on for that one. All right, y'all, man. We just took the old grill out, man. I ain't gonna lie. We fought with this bitch for about an hour. I ain't gonna lie to you. We got everything out, bro. It's empty over there, y'all. See, we finna put that new SRT grill in. We just on hooking the sensors and shit right now. Tired?
I'm hungry.
It's good? Thank you. I was like, bro, I spent about 200 on that hoe. Hot. My heart dropped, boy. I thought I got the wrong grill, bro. I'm about to say. You gotta take that chrome out. Mm-hmm. Is that a part? Is that for the part of the old one?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
How much are getting paid?
Shit, $10. I'm broke, chat. Chat, how much should I pay him? Y'all let me know, man. I ain't got no funds. Y'all gonna need y'all to hit that sub, bro, and share this fucking video so I can get paid, bro. Real talk. See, hold on, see. Now that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I was finna swing this grill at your head so fucking hard. But, you know, fuck. For real?
Yeah, they was on some extra shit. So I snatched the wrap off that motherfucker.
Damn. Wait, so you was wrapping the car, you snatched the wrap off?
Damn right.
What'd he do?
He couldn't do shit.
Like he could pay? Damn.
I need my shit right now.
That's crazy. Nah, yeah, that's crazy. I do the same shit. Oh, bullshit. Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't give him this car.
Wrap off that motherfucker. I had the keys too.
Nah, that's crazy.
Alright, you can leave.
That's wild.
I done took a few L's that last year. I was finna say this year.
Yeah.
I took a few L's last year.
No bullshit. Damn, this is a cameraman job. This shit is hard. So we took all the old shit out. We had to take the chrome out as well. Easy to do. Now we putting that. Now we about to install the new one, man. Yeah, that should look way better without the goddamn grill. Or without the CHRYSLER.
Yeah.
Damn, I was about to say that's crazy. That bitch, oh y'all, fuck.
I just don't know.
I had to goddamn fight with this bitch. It's in there though. Yeah. Comment below what badge we need to put right here, man. We gotta put a badge on it, man. Y'all let me know what we need to do, man. Yeah, we gonna put this bitch on too now, man.
It's the wrong one. I'm just fucking with you.
I wish my face. I said, huh? The ball's gonna be shitty, man.
Hey, chill out.
Hey, this shit look clean already. This about to look crazy.
I'm finna get the tape.
This about to look crazy.
It might fall, I don't know.
Hell yeah. Got the grill on, man. Y'all see the grill. SRT grill is on there. When I tell y'all we had to fight with that bitch, bro, we literally broke a little piece of the core. I did, ain't gonna lie. But it was nothing important, man.
Hey, Gallery, what the fuck y'all got for me?
Pop a Tesla pill, I guess I can drive myself now. Cut the bitch off, she done had a mental breakdown. Finger pop the seal, turn that bitch into an 8 ounce. I don't like debating about prices, that's petty. I don't start shit, pop it up, I'ma finish. Little bitch, you better.
Bruh, everything just went wrong, bruh. My camera died while we was recording, bruh. So y'all couldn't even see us put it on and everything like that, bro. And guess what I'm shitty as hell right now, bro. Guess what just happened to the damn splitter? The grill looks good on the car. Let me show y'all how the car looks after. My energy a little low right now, bro, because I just wasted so much money on that splitter. It was like $225 or something, and it broke in a day. It ain't even been a whole day yet, bro. But shit, here how the grill look, man. That's the SRT grill with the SRT or the Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? The Hellcat hood. It looked good as hell. But look at my splitter, bro. Oh, it was looking so good, and it just broke. It literally just snapped, bro. I didn't even hit anything. I'm confused how it broke. My car's not low, and somehow, I don't know what hit it and broke it, bro. But I'm shitty as hell right now, bro. All right, y'all, so now shit, we just finna take it off. All right, right, y'all, we got one more screw left, bro. One more screw left and we done. I don't got a drill at the crib, bro, so we manually unscrewed like 30 screws, bro. It's crazy. Shit, bro, this shit is a workout, bro. We finally got it off, y'all. RIP to the damn splitter, bro. Didn't even have it a full day, bro. But here it is right here, bro. The SRT grill with the Hellcat hood. I ain't gonna lie. W combination, bro. I'm glad they don't got the, I didn't like the Chrysler in the front, bro. I did not like the Chrysler in the front. I think it looked way better without it, bro. You feel me? But shit, let me show y'all what else we did to the car, y'all, since we just got that off, man. RP the fucking splitter. Wasting my fucking money, bro. But shit, as y'all can see, man, we got the dog badges on there, man, with the red eye, man. Hey, y'all already know that's too tough, bro. You know the real dog. You know what I'm saying? That shit too tough. You know what I'm saying, gang? I got these badges made at Forge Concepts on Instagram, Forge Concepts. Make sure y'all go check that out, man. But yeah, we got the badges on there. Other badge on the other side, man. Too clean, bro. And y'all, we got the side lights too, bro. Let me show y'all how these side lights too, bro. We got some tinted side lights. These motherfuckers too hard. Hold on, I'm gonna start the car real quick and show y'all how these side lights look. The side lights look on the car. I ain't gonna lie, this make the car pop so much, bro. Clean as hell, bro. Clean as hell. We got them on both sides, man. Side lights is too hard. But RIP, it's snowing right now, what the fuck? But RIP the diffuser, man, but y'all see the grill. Grill too tough with the hood. Y'all let me know if I need to put an SRT badge right there, man. Should I put an SRT badge there? Y'all let me know, you feel me? But shit, that's the end of the video, bruh. I'm pissed. I'm about to go beat my meat. I'm out this thing. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like, man.